rent when you can own this affordable, move-in ready, 2-bedroom, 2-bath house at 801 Miller Street that's been completely renovated. Come check it out. Gutted to the studs, all of the cosmetic and mechanical updates have been done for you. Updates include new windows, flooring, light fixtures, kitchen with kitchen appliances, bathroom, washer, dryer, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC system. This home is situated on a flat, level lot with an attached 1-car garage within walking distance of the Eldon Air Park, Middle School, and High School. To make this investment opportunity with proven rental results yours, give us a call. Remax Lake of the Ozarks, Krantz & Associates at 573-302-2355.